Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through. That is, I'll be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to pay for Onlyfans with PayPal. Now, Onlyfans does not directly accept PayPal payments due to PayPal's terms of service. However, you can use a workaround method. And the method we're going to learn today is about using a prepaid card or virtual credit card. So first, create a PayPal, prepaid card or virtual credit card. Log into your PayPal account and create a PayPal prepaid card or virtual credit card. Next, you have to fund the prepaid card or virtual credit card using your PayPal balance. Then sign up for Onlyfans. Add the prepaid card or virtual card as a payment method on Onlyfans. Now, this is a simple start. It's important for you to consider that PayPal's terms of service prohibits the use of their services for adult content. And Onlyfans terms of service require you to comply with their payment processing rules. It's as simple